What up, boss dons? CurtisDonDeano, back for another video. Today we're gonna be doing the on feet, on foot. I still can't. I don't know which one it is, and I can't make logical sense of it because it's like on foot, but is it an on feet because it's on both of my feet? Anyway, so we already did the unboxing for the triple S's, and here today we are here to talk about the Balenciaga triple S's, but we ain't here to really talk about them. We're really here to show them to you. So I'm gonna just skip to that now, but be sure to stay tuned if you want to hear a little bit more about the shoe in regards to comfort, wear, durability, etc. Now that I've worn them a couple times.
From ex-girl saying, nigga, look what you become. I don't give a fuck, no. Stay true to the things that I do. No time, I can stay on the move. I need the world in the palm of my hands, and most of these bitches just don't understand. I'm a main nigga from the east side of Oakland. I never had nothing, it seems I was chosen. I had to go follow my dreams, yeah. I just hope that it's all what it seems, yeah, yeah. Hey, I was made for this shit. Shit never changed, I remain with the click. Speeding through all of the stop signs, so we pulling up right here on Lakeshore Drive. Splitting that backwood, relieving the pressure, oh yeah. Cause you'll never know just where this life is gonna take you, yeah. As long as you know to never let no nigga break you, yeah. I think I'm finding my purpose every time I spit these verses. Knew from the jump I had something special. Persistence was key and my biggest blessing. It took me so far, now these niggas gon' listen. I keep dropping lines like a nigga was fishing. Now they can't say I ain't done enough. I stayed on the grind, never gave it up, no. Forget all the bullshit, everything else is irrelevant. I figured that if you just fly, you can escape all the loss. I figured that if you just fly, you can escape all the loss.
Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed that little clip or whatever. By the way, if any of y'all make music or know somebody make music, y'all got a homeboy with a SoundCloud link, be sure to send me that and ask them can I use their music, because I do need music for my YouTube videos. I'm going to be producing a lot of content, so it's only right if I have music, and I like to support people in that way. You know, a lot of times videos don't get a lot of views, but sometimes 2 or 3 people may ask under that video, what song was used during that you know, the on foot clip? And maybe that one listener listens to your song 1,000 times, or maybe they got us, you know what I'm saying? That's the way music works. You know, it's about building a following anyway. And when somebody hear a song and like it from like a 30-second, 40-second little clip, yeah, you can build a fan base like that. Nonetheless, these videos will be here forever, so you know what I'm saying, you never know who can discover you years down the line as I grow. So just to get off of that, let's just talk. I hope you enjoyed that, but now it's time to talk a little bit about the wearability, the durability, all of that good stuff. So first off, I want to say I really like them because this is one of those shoes where even though it's a low top, it takes up so much room. You could wear it with the skinniest of skinny jeans, but you could also wear with like crop jeans, and you could also wear with like fucking joggers, even though I'm really not too big on them unless they got like a super good fit. You can wear with like the Fear of God made popular zip pants on the side, you know what I'm saying? Like the pants that zip on the side. You can wear with those. You could wear with I mean, you pretty much can wear with anything, and that's what I really enjoy about the shoe the most. Like, I mean, if you want to wear a fucking kilt, you can wear a fucking kilt. That's a good idea. But it just seems that you can wear with a lot of different stuff. That's just dope as fuck to me. Beyond that, what else did I want to say? I wanted to say that you can also wear with like regular jeans. Like this is probably the only shoe that I feel like people can wear with like jeans that are probably like a slim fit jean that's not a skinny jean. Cause like I be seeing guys wear like slim fit jeans with the Balenciaga speed trainers or whatever they call it, like the sock shoe, and it just be like, bro, if your pant leg can't go in the Balenciaga, then I don't think the shoe is for you. Like there are a lot of shoes out here, but you should wear those ones, not that one. The second that you put a shoe over top of the sock shoe, the second you put a pants over top of the sock shoe, you defeated the point of the shoe. It almost like when I see it, it almost like makes me want to. I mean, I know like for guys that's like on a bigger end and they don't really wear, you know, like they don't really wear the like skinny jeans. My best advice would be to like just like, you know, shrug your jeans up some, like, you know, like zhuzh it up like that, you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like that would be the better look. But I don't know, you can't tell niggas nothing. And so just to talk a little bit about the shoe, while it's right here physically in my hand. There are a couple problems I do want to mention. First of all, for this to be such a thick shoe, it is kind of heavy, but you get used to the weight of it instantly. Even though, to be honest with you, walking down steps and stuff like that isn't normal because the shoe is so big that like you got to be mindful of how you walking down the steps. For real, like sometimes I gotta walk to the side, and especially if it's like a smaller step, like a step that's this big, or like that big. You know what I'm saying? But maybe people that wear like 12s and 13s, they probably always got that problem. You think? I would think so. Then what else? Oh, driving with them is weird too. That's something I should probably add in. Not that you might care. What else? But that's pretty much. So, but my other problem is it's like something like the stitching underneath this toe part right here. If like you wear a thinner sock with it, it starts to like rub up against the top of your foot, and it's like irritating. Other than that, I don't know. It's a really dope ass shoe. I really don't have any other problems with it. They could be a little bit more comfortable for the size of it. Like all of this, y'all could have gave me a thicker sole, some more padding. Like you would think that within all of this right here, they could have added some type of not like some type of boost styrofoam type material just to make it comfortable. I don't know if that would have allowed the shoe to kind of like compress some, which would defeat the purpose. But what would it matter if the sole was that thick anyway and your foot was down there? Like it wouldn't matter if your foot was all the way in. You know, I don't know if I get what I'm saying, but I'm just saying the shoe could be more comfortable. That's the point I'm trying to make. Other colors of the shoe are probably harder to wear. I feel like this one is easy as fuck to wear. I feel like the all cream one is easy to wear. It's probably the most easy to wear just because you can do so much with cream right now, but with the way style is going. My favorite color is probably like that Lego colorway, like the first one that we seen. That one is probably my favorite. So overall, it's just a really great it's a really great shoe. I'm not gonna keep saying the same thing. But you know, I mean, that's pretty much it, I guess. I don't like wasting people's time in these videos. Alright. Some fun facts about these shoes. One, you don't have to ever worry about them creasing because they put them in canvas right here. Being as though it's canvas, happy birthday! You 13! Finally up the cloud! How you doing, G? So you don't have to worry about them creasing because it's material. Yeah, you good. You don't have to worry about them creasing because
I gotta tell y'all a story.
It's material.
Nigga got me fucked.
It's all good. We all good. Y'all good. And then the best of all, you don't gotta worry about the shoes getting dirty. You wanna know why you don't gotta worry about? You know why you don't gotta worry about them getting dirty? Because hold on, wait. Let me record this one part. Hold on, wait. Give me 1 second. Let me just say this one part. You don't gotta worry about them getting dirty because they come dirty. I mean, the shoes is a win-win. It's worth your $850. I would definitely say yes. It's an iconic shoe. It's definitely going to be a staple in history of fucking tennis shoes. It's probably the most demanded shoe last year, and it'll probably continue to this year. Hopefully, my biggest fear is that they're going to keep coming out with colorways, and there'll be 2 available, and then it'll make it pointless to even like the shoes. Other than that, I definitely think they're worth the $850, and I definitely think if you can cop, you should cop. Alright, Boston, just come to the end of the video. You know, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think about it. As you can see, I didn't have a hard time walking in these shoes, contrary to popular belief. Is there anything else I want to add? I think that's pretty much everything. We can wrap the video. Like I said, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Subscriptions mean the world to me. Other than that, follow my Instagram to see how I'm gonna wear these shoes. I'm gonna wear them a lot of times because I wanted them so badly. I'm gonna put together a couple crazy outfits for them. I want to do these like crazy. I want it to be like, I don't know. I want you to feel some type of way watching it. And of course, if you like content like this, you like my reviews, you like my feedback, the details I give on shoes, Be sure to pledge to my Patreon. If you don't want to pledge to my Patreon, you don't like the rewards there, you can check out my website, shopdino.com. I mean, we gotta have the money to make these videos. We gotta have the time to make these videos. The more money we make, the more time we get, the better quality we get, etc., etc., etc. Yeah, so other than that, alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you stay untouchable. Godspeed.